Alright, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how much money I've made over the last few months just from walking, just from taking steps from the free app Sweatcoin. There's been quite a few other YouTubers that have put out their own review on Sweatcoin, but the ones I've seen have only been essentially them using the app for about a week. I've actually had this app for the last few months.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Wealth Hacker Labs. I'm your gracious host, Jeff Rose, and I'm still quarantined. You're still quarantined. Just getting a little stir crazy up in here. So I have seen these videos talking about this app, Sweatcoin, and how you can make money walking. And one of the things I can do to stay sane is go on walks. So I've been going on walks with myself, with my wife, with my kids, some of my kids one-on-one, just to have some sanity. And I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna go on walks, I'm going to also see if I can get paid. So I've seen the videos, didn't really watch them to an extent where I fully understood how it all worked. So I thought I would document and vlog my journey into Sweatcoin to see how much money I could make, if you can make any money at all. So let's go ahead and dive into the vlog series, and I'll have a recap of what it looks like on the end. Did I make money? Can you make money? How does it work? We're gonna find all that and more right now. All right, what's going on? So today technically is day 2 of me downloading this app Sweatcoin. Really don't fully understand how it works, if I'm actually gonna make any money. I wanna show you like what I've got downloaded, how many steps I got going on. I actually just got back on a walk with my 2 older boys just around our neighborhood, you know, just trying to have some sanity to the whole quarantine that's going on right now in the world. But let's take a look at this app so you can see it. All right, so I've got the app open. 7,237 steps. Have no idea what that even means. I know that you have these different levels that you can do. I just upgraded to a shaker. It says you can earn up to $10 a day. I don't even know what that really means. Or maybe it's 10, some sort of currency. Mover is the free. You have to pay like, is it $10 a month? You get a free trial. That's why I did it. As you can see, I've got 29 days left. It says price. Oh, earn up to $10 a day, and you pay $4.75 a month. You got the Quaker, the Breaker, and the Troublemaker, which is soon to be coming. So that is what's currently going on. I thought, you know what, right now, one of the things that I love to do is take walks. It's just a nice little calming meditation. Usually listen to audiobooks, but I've been using it now just with my boys. Try to do one-on-one. Today was the first time I actually took my 2 older ones, but just some time that just have some one-on-one time with dad and ask me any questions they want and not have to compete with 3 other siblings. So that is kind of the rationale of that. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of report this and see how it goes day by day, and I'll have some more information on how this actually works, hopefully, and how I'm getting paid, hopefully next time here soon. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, it is technically day 3. I was able to get some steps in yesterday, and this morning, my oldest son and I ended up going on a walk. It is currently Saturday, and just like spending some time together, doing a little one-on-one talk. And since he is old enough, I guess, you know, he's 12 years old, he has a phone, which he paid for, and he pays monthly. And I had him download the app, and at this point in time, I have no idea if he actually can cash his points in. He's gonna be really upset if he finds out that he can't because he's too young. But I just want to show you. I'll go ahead and pull the app here so you can take a look to see. All right, so open up the Sweatcoin app, and as of today, as you can see, I've got 9,555 steps. It's 5 o'clock. Says it has converted to $7.42. I don't even know if that's dollars yet or like Sweatcoin credits or something. But yesterday there was my $7.83 or whatever, $9.65. And the one thing I will say that I have noticed is they keep giving you all these, like all these different offers, all these different credits. And I'm assuming like this is how they're making money. The other thing, as we saw, I showed you here. So I actually updated. So this is the free one, the breaker. And then I'm sorry, is that, I don't even know. One of these is free. Oh, the mover. So that's the free one. Anybody can sign up and get the mover. And then I hit the maximum capacity for the day. So you can upgrade to a shaker. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is $4.75 per month that you pay, and that allows you to get more steps in. So if you know that you're going to step out a lot, then it might be worth it. I don't know yet. They do give you the it was a 30-day free trial. So you 27 days left in that trial. But now the really question is can I actually convert all these and make it worth it? Well, that's what we're going to find out. All right, what's going on, y'all? It is a lazy Sunday afternoon. That is really, really bright on the back patio behind this little curtain there. Whew, okay. All right, so this morning, got my Sweatcoin update. Today's Sunday. I went for a morning walk. After that, kind of just lounged outside a little bit, played with the kids, got kind of a wasp thing going on, trying to exterminate, trying to figure out where they're getting in. But so yeah, anyway, kind of a lazy day. About 6,500 steps right now. It's about almost 6 o'clock. Oh my gosh, this is a lazy day. So I did do some research trying to figure out how much these sweat coins are, because it says I've got 542. And so that is not dollars. That is not $5.42. I think I read where $1 equals 20 sweat coins. So that means I've earned a whopping 25 cents today. That's depressing. Now I don't know how much that plays out, because what I'm seeing is that basically you earn all these coins and you can exchange them for other things. So, maybe kind of like credit card reward points. Maybe you can exchange it for something cool. Probably going to take me like 3 months of walking 18 miles per day to actually get something cool. But we'll find that when this challenge is over. But that's what I got going on right now. And tomorrow I think we got some rain coming on Tuesday. So I definitely want to make sure I get my steps in tomorrow. So I'm going all out tomorrow, even though it's going to be a high of 78 tomorrow. Whew. Anyway, but that's the Sweatcoin update. And now I got to figure out how I can convert these to actual real money. We'll find out here pretty soon. What is going on, y'all? So honestly don't know what day it is. Actually, according to my Sweatcoin app, it's day 7. I think the last update was 2 days ago. When you were quarantined at the house with 4 kids, it's a little hard to keep your mind right. For those that have kids, you know what I mean. Anyway, so I've been doing a good job getting my steps in, and I will say, and this is actually embarrassing to admit, so I am pushing 42 right now. I used to do CrossFit a lot when I was younger. Just being in the military, like I just got bad knees. Like my knees hurt. And all the walking I'm doing, on top of just being more active with my kids because they're home 24/7, like my knees are aching. I mean, it's embarrassing. I had to buy these knee wraps off Amazon. Knee support braces. I don't even know if it's helping. It don't matter. Anyway, this is about Sweatcoin. So right now, the time of this recording, it is about 4:30. I got 6,300 steps for today. And let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, so here it is. Total here is 73 sweat coins earned. I'm going to do this for like a few more days and then I'm going to close this out. I've been doing some research online as far as how much sweat coins are actually worth dollar-wise, but I don't know if you can actually convert that to an actual dollar or if you got to like trade that in for a credit. So we're going to find out on that. But other than that, I mean, this app's been really super easy to use. I don't even do anything. I just go out for a walk or do what I do and collect my sweat coins, which I have no idea really what that means monetary-wise. But we're going to find out, and you're going to find out at the end of this. Okay, so the Sweatcoin experiment has come to a close. It actually has continued after I recorded that last vlog, because guess what? I'm still going on walks, but I wanted to, recap how many sweat coins had I earned, how much is it worth, can you really make money, convert it to cash, and some other questions that you might have. So at the end of a 12-day period, I had accumulated over 119,000 steps, just under 120,000 steps. And doing some research online, I found out that the average mile is about 2,000 steps. So if I took that 119,800 divided by 2,000, means that I walked almost 60 miles, 59.9 miles. Like, that's a lot. Now, this is over a 12-day period. And how many sweat coins did I earn? Well, in that time frame, it was a 107 sweat coins, 107.7 to be exact. So, ooh, is that $107? Not really. Now, I did a quick Google search and just, I typed in, how much is a sweat coin really worth? And online, on the internet, you can find that on the average, 20 sweat coins equals $1. So that means if I have 107 sweat coins, I have about $5.38. That's not a lot of money, but granted, it's just for walking. I really didn't do anything else. So does that mean that I can cash this out? Can I just send it my PayPal, Venmo me, send me a physical check, with my economic stimulus check that's not coming? It's a whole other story. Anyway, no, so what I've learned is that can you really convert sweat coin to cash? Not really. There are some ways, I guess if you become like a sweat coin influencer and you invite all your family and friends, and I think after you get over like 100 invites, then you can convert some of that. Like I saw some videos, didn't really quite understand it. I think I've invited 2 people, so I'm not gonna be that person that qualifies for that. So then what does this really mean? With my 107 sweat coins or my $5.38, like what do you convert that into? And what I've now recognized is that, and I think I shared this on the vlog, but Sweatcoin will have all of these different deals available to you. And they'll make things available to you, for example, like Disney Plus, which we already have. There's an Audible subscription. There is some elegant shoes by Tanya Heath. I don't know what that even means, but with that, it was just under 4,000 sweat coins, 3,899 to be exact. So they give you a lot of free trials that you can get in. So I was actually explaining this to my son, my oldest son, and I said, it's kind of like going to one of those carnivals or the arcades where you can earn the tickets, and then you get the tickets and you put them in that machine, or you take out the counter and they let you know how many tickets you have, and then you can pick out some of those great prizes that they have. That's kind of what Sweatcoin is. At least that's what I'm seeing. But there is like some cool stuff like, you can go on this trip. I don't know if it's a ski trip. It only requires 19,999 Sweatcoins. So I'm a little ways from that. But they have like some wireless headphones. There's a 4K action camera. All these do require a lot. I mean, there's 6,000 sweat coins, 8,000. So the way that I look at it is that, if you walk and work out, then why wouldn't you download it? And maybe you can use it to cash it in later on. Now, I will say one of the things that I was disappointed on was I want to see, could you collect sweat coins by running on a treadmill, or in my case, I have elliptical in my house. So I got on my elliptical to see if I would start accruing all these sweat coins, and I didn't get a single one. Now I can walk all throughout my house, I can run up and down the stairs, and I can collect sweat coins that way. But with an elliptical or a treadmill, I guess since you're in one spot and you're not taking steps because it's just tracking your location, you don't accrue any sweat coins. Now they just made an update, I think a few days ago, where they will give you up to 5 sweat coins for 20 minutes of activity. And they don't even question what you're doing. Now I think this might just be a temporary thing with the whole COVID-19. So if you're watching this middle of the summer, whenever you're watching this, that still may not apply. But it was a nice little feature that they added that I started taking advantage here recently. And I just got my 5 sweat coins for that yesterday. I'll do that again today. But I would say, don't do that while you're walking, because I'm thinking you want to kind of, don't say double dip, but you might lose the sweat coins if you're walking. So do it while you're not walking. That makes sense? Okay. All right. We're on the same page. But overall, like, what's my thought on Sweatcoin? Well, it definitely is not going to make you rich. And I don't think that anything that's going to pay you to just walk should, for that matter. But if it is encouraging you to get more steps, be active, and just collect some sweat coins, some currency along the way, then heck yeah, download it and have some fun with it. I've enjoyed it. I like just seeing like where I'm going, and actually just to kind of give you an idea where I'm at now. So it's been a few days since I stopped the whole vlog part of this, and I am currently at 130 sweat coins, and this has been a few days after the 12 days. So didn't get a lot of walking yesterday because it rained all day, so that is one of the downsides. If you can't get outside, you're not going to get sweat coins. But once again, if you're just looking for a little extra cash, or not so much cash, but extra prizes, and get fit while you're doing it, I give Sweatcoin a nice thumbs up. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I got more reviews like this coming along, because this is what happens when you're quarantined. You just try to have fun and make the most of it. Hope you're all too. This is Jeff Rose reminding you that it's your money, it's your life, and only you can make it awesome. Until next time, peace.